welcome back to another video from Self-Sufficient Mama. Today I'm going to share with you the latest information that has been shared with the public from the Food and Drug Administration and the National Institutes of Health. So yesterday the FDA approved the use of REGEN-COV, which is a cocktail drug of casirivimab and imdevimab. Sorry, I cannot pronounce these words. If you've never heard of this drug before, you may be more familiar with it as it's used back in October of last year by President Trump. It was one of the therapeutic drugs he took while he was hospitalized for having COVID. Now, this drug is only used for people who have COVID. It is not approved as a preventative measure, and you could only get the treatment in a medical office. So right here, I am on the NIH.com. I will post this link down in the description below. So this was updated yesterday, and on June 3rd, the FDA updated it for emergency use authorization. So this drug is made by a company called Regeneron. I have their website right here. You can click on these links. I will put this in the description below also. But it is an antibody cocktail, and it's a combination of the two monoclonal antibody therapies, casirivimab and imdevimab, which are thought to work by mimicking and stimulating the body's natural immune system in order to help fight off the infection. The cocktail is authorized for use in adult and pediatric patients with mild to moderate COVID-19 infections, which specifically includes people in certain high-risk groups, such as those that are 65 years and older, and those with chronic underlying health conditions. The FDA did not authorize this use among hospitalized patients or those who require supplemental oxygen. But the antibody cocktail is administered via IV, so it's not likely that people will be able to access this outside of the medical offices. So right here, I had clicked on the link on their website, Regeneron. Our COVID treatment is now authorized by the FDA in a lower dose and new routine of administration. Now, on their site, they also have COVID-19 medicine is available. You can find a treatment center near you by clicking on here. You enter in your information, and they will give you all of the medical facilities that are administering this drug. There's lots of other links you can click on here as well. This one basically has all the information like adverse reactions, authorized use, the definition of high-risk pregnancy or high-risk patients, like people with diabetes, and this is only used if you already have COVID. You cannot use it if you are hospitalized with COVID and you are having trouble breathing. I want you guys to go on to these links and do your own research. So if you happen to find yourself testing positive for COVID, you can find a medical center that does administer this drug, and you can get better that way. It does show to have 70% chance of getting better if you have COVID already. Here is the fact sheet from the FDA for the healthcare providers and emergency use authorization. These are the dates over here that the FDA has made updates. So you can see here, it's been being studied all the way since February of this year. So it's been in trials for a while. Benefit of treatment has not been observed in patients hospitalized. Monoclonal antibodies such as this one may be associated with worse clinical outcomes when administered by hospitalized patients with COVID-19 requiring high flow oxygen, and that's why they won't let people that are hospitalized use this drug in the first place. So I am going to put all of these links in my description below, and all of these have references at the bottom if you guys are curious where this information is coming from. This one's on the NIH right here. It has over 20 references on some of these links. I wanted to thank you guys for watching my channel and getting this information. If you have taken this treatment and you're watching this video, can you please comment below? Let us know if you had any reactions. Let us know how it worked for you, or if you know anybody else who have taken it. Please comment below and let us know what your thoughts are on this treatment for COVID. I want to wish you guys all happiness and the best of health. Until next time.